Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, cooling down operations are underway at the Riverton landfill following a fire at the facility this morning.
National Solid Waste Management Authority NSWMA Executive Director Audley Gordon says unlike previous occasions, the fire was extinguished some 5 hours after it started.
Oh, Kirk Wright has the details.
Fire trucks, one after the other, raced to the Riverton City dump and almost bumper to bumper in tow. Trucks carrying loads of dirt to help extinguish the blaze.
As at this moment, we are significantly on our way to resolving the matter. We have put out all the blaze and now just contending with the smoke nuisance. We intend to go deep into the night and to resolve this matter totally.
We received a call at 10:38 a.m. that there was a fire at the Riverton landfill. We responded with 6 units. We now have 6 units. Well, 7, there's another one coming up behind me now, on location with just over 40 firefighters.
The executive director of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, Audley Gordon, says he doesn't believe the fire started on the dump.
It appears as if the fire came in one of those compactors. And this would not be strange because we have seen this before where we have fire coming into the garbage. This happened on our tipping phase.
The blaze was nowhere as huge as many we have experienced in the past, but big enough to cause major inconvenience for persons who make a living from the dump. How does this affect you now?
I'm bad, my boss. I'm actually the God in them too, so I really could live in my boss, man. I don't get really could live in from. And he affect me bad. But you don't know service this time hard already and we don't have nowhere to go. More than years alone on the other side. I tell you the honest. So he affect me bad. Everybody, he affect me, I tell you.
What do you do down here? What do you do?
We look buckle, we look for boss, man.
Plastic buckle or glass buckle?
Yeah, man, plastic buckle, man.
That's big business down here now, plastic buckles?
Yeah, man, you have places where when we look at them come and buy it from us, man. So we earn our little living from down here.
While firefighters worked to extinguish the blaze, the pickers moved fast to move their assorted plastic bottles from the path of the fire. The poor visibility brought on by the high wind had little effect on the animals moving about the area, but for the firefighters it created a major challenge.
As it is now, the wind conditions are not helping us any at all. The wind is extremely strong. It is pushing the smoke towards Spanish Town, towards the ferry area, and that is making the fire extremely dangerous and even more difficult to battle.
The fire was confined to the tip-off area, and from our vantage point, it appeared the blaze was confined to the area where the garbage had just been offloaded. The NSWMA's executive director rubbished suggestions that heavy-duty equipment used to spread the garbage had been out of service. He says they were put to use once the blaze started. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.